Hey y'all. Happy Friday. Happy Friday the 13th, really, I should be saying. Hopefully, Jason Voorhees isn't stalking you at Camp Crystal Lake or anything like that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, obviously you've never seen the Friday the 13th movie, so just ignore me because I don't know what I'm talking about. I want to show you guys something real quick about word tweets. I know we've done them in class several times. It's kind of like our warm-up slip or our exit slip, but I don't recall if I've taught y'all how to do that. You guys learning at home. So I click on remote learning. I go to classwork, and you'll see that Mr. Bean posted something that says word tweet magical camera. Now I don't know if I've discussed with y'all what a word tweet is. So let me show you guys what smell what the rock is cooking here. All right, so it says compose a word tweet, 35 words, no more, no less, on the magical camera prompt below. Make sure you proofread and use complete sentences. Well, obviously, I'm going to proofread. Obviously, I'm going to use complete sentences because, duh. Complete sentences are the coolest thing to do. But let me show you guys what word tweet is. It's simple. I call them word farts. I know that's kind of like childish and middle schoolish, but I think it's funny when you call it a word fart rather a word tweet. But that's just me. It's 35 words, no more, no less. It's an exercise in pushing yourself if you're not writing enough, or limiting yourself if you're writing too much. Okay, so it's just 35 words. And this is kind of a fun exercise to do with yourself because it's a practice and knowing when to cut off and when to push yourself to go more. So what I did, I gave you guys example below, and it says a word tweet uses 35 words. You must use complete sentences, but a word tweet does not have to be one long sentence. I call them word farts, but not everyone likes farts. For real. And if you notice, if you went through like counting my words, that's exactly 35 words right there. And when I say a word tweet, I don't mean like listening 35 words because somebody's done that before in the past. I want complete sentences. I call it a word tweet, but you don't need to like post it on Twitter. That's another thing that I want to make sure you understand. You're not posting this on Twitter. I just call it a word tweet because on Twitter, your statements have to kind of be short and to the point, and that's what we're kind of working on here is like getting to the point. So you're going to give me a word tweet, and you're going to do it on this. What does this magical camera do? I got a lot of cool answers to this question yesterday in class with my Thursday kids. My Monday kids will do this on Monday. It's just our warm up. I wanted to make sure you guys got to do it too. What does this magical camera do? Either as a narrative or as a functional text. What I want you guys to do is just use your imagination. What do you think this magical camera would do? Like, does it? I don't want to put ideas into your head, but my thought is maybe it makes paintings come to life. I don't know. It could be like a Harry Potter type deal thing where like you take a picture of something and like that picture comes to life with it. I don't know. You get to decide what this magical camera does. Use your imagination because when God made all of us, He put a little bit of imagination in our heads. So use that imagination right there when you compose this. But make sure you only use 35 words. And make sure you proofread and make sure you use complete sentences. So I'll just click answer a view question. And over here I can say, blah, blah, blah. I can just start typing away. Like right now I'm just typing random stuff. But you're going to type your answer there. Turn it in that way. Got any questions? Don't hesitate to holler at me. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.